called out today to install a garbage disposal. Had to remove the old basket strainer on the left side. When the house was remodeled, they didn't plan on installing one, so we're going to have to trial fit this thing, see if it fits in there the way they have it set up now. Currently tightening down the throat of the disposal so the sealant can seal. And we'll get test fitting here soon. Alright, now we can start test fitting the disposal, see what we can do to get this lined up. Kind of checking out the heights. Noticing that one left side arm is way too close. Really not going to be able to fit a P-trap and the unit in there at the same time, so we're going to end up trying it out a few more times just to make sure. Test fitting a P-trap just to be certain on everything. So far, I'm pretty sure that it's not going to work. As you can tell, the bend from the disposal drain arm would end up hitting that P-trap right at the top. You usually run into these issues when they go from a regular countertop to a granite or formica, wherever the sink goes from a drop-in to an undermount. Sometimes the plumbing is not the correct height, and we have to adjust, which no one ever really accounts for. So now I'm kind of testing it out, starting to realize heights are basically we're going to have to cut out everything that's in there and start all over again. So now I'm taking it down. That way we can tear this drain assembly completely out, replumb it so it's easier to unclog the drain whenever it does get backed up from grease buildup and food buildup. This is the new look. Got 2 T's stacked with a Studer vent. Works out perfectly. So the customer didn't want to use the switch on the wall, so we got this fancy one on Amazon. It's push button. You can choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Works out great. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Thanks.